What's up, bud? It's Rob. This is Apparel Success. And inside of my last video on this channel, I talked about how the month of September went for my clothing brand. And I want to add on to that video with this one, where I want to talk to you about how I was running the email marketing campaigns in the month of September. I sent out 4 different emails that month. I want to share with you exactly what was included inside of those emails, how many orders each of those emails generated, and how my email marketing campaigns tied into my overall marketing strategy. I think this is going to help you run really successful emails for your own brand. Here it is. Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at Design Crowd. And if designs are something that you struggle with, I really recommend that you give them a shot. These are some of the best-selling designs on my website, and I got them all made through Design Crowd. If you're interested, head over to designcrowd.com/apparel to learn about the special offer that I have for you, or simply use the discount code APPAREL when you post a project on Design Crowd. All right, so the application that I use to run the email marketing campaigns for my clothing brand is called Klaviyo. And I've only been using Klaviyo for the past 4 months or so, ever since I switched from running my clothing brand through Wix to Shopify. They're not paying me to promote them here on this channel. My mentor, who runs a multi-million-dollar clothing brand, also swears by Klaviyo as his email marketing thingy. And so I highly recommend giving them a shot, especially if you're using Shopify to grow your clothing brand. So I ran 4 different emails in the month of September. And I want to break down exactly what was inside of each of these emails, my strategy around it, and what I was thinking and how they performed, just so that you can get an inside look at how I'm running my email campaigns and how they're performing in the overall scope of my brand. All right, so in the month of September, I did a fall drop for my clothing brand, where I released 5 new products, 3 new hoodies, a new pair of socks, and a new beanie. And so the first email that I sent out for my clothing brand in the month of September was introducing the new hoodies that I was releasing for my clothing brand. And this email that I sent out generated $2,342.74 worth of revenue directly from the email and generated 21 orders. Now, being straight up with you here, I basically just have a simple template that I constantly run for my own clothing brand that's really simple, where I just change the text around and I change the product images and I change the images. But it's literally as simple as just replacing the images, replacing the text, and it's so fast when I create these email campaigns. I literally clone the previous campaign or duplicate it and then just mix around, add new products, get rid of old products, or add new text like free shipping or something like that, and then the new email is ready to go. It literally takes me like a half hour to do this. The second email that I sent out in the month of September was to kick off this free shipping promotion that I was running through the last week of September. And all that I did for this email was basically just take the creative that I made for the Facebook ads. I took the image that I was using for this free shipping promotion and I just plopped it inside of the email, and I sent that out on the very first day of that free shipping promotion. And this email generated $1,877.79 in revenue and generated 25 orders for my clothing brand. The third email that I sent in the month of September was promoting the final 2 new products that I released for my brand that month, which was the socks and the toque that were both made in Canada, and also promoting the free shipping promotion that I had running that month as well. This email generated $1,448.78 in revenue and generated 12 orders through the website. And the very last email that I sent out in the month of September was on the very last day, just basically saying last call for the free shipping promo code that we had going. It was basically like, code expires at midnight. This is your last chance to use the free shipping code. And it generated $2,794.51 in revenue and 26 orders through the website. Now, the most important thing that I want you to realize here is that I sent out 4 emails. This basically took no time at all for me to string these emails together. And in total, from the 4 emails that I ran in the month of September, it generated $8,463.82 in revenue, and 84 orders came in through the website. So while I'm running the ads for my brand, while I'm running all of the free organic content on Instagram, TikTok, on top of that strategy, I'm gonna incorporate these email marketing campaigns because it's going to add close to $10,000 worth of revenue in a month and an extra 82 orders literally just from these email marketing campaigns. And I have roughly 10,000 people on my subscription list and on my email list. And I think that this is just something that can really help supplement sales for your clothing brand, especially if you've been running it for a little while and you've slowly been building up your customer list and your email list. You can just see the direct evidence here of how much revenue these emails can actually generate for your brand. So to really put this into perspective, of the entire month of September, I did right around $38,000 in revenue. And from these emails themselves, I generated $8,269 worth of revenue, which is basically 1/4 of the entire month's revenue came literally just from these email marketing campaigns. And especially during big sales like Black Friday, big holiday sales and things like that, it's just so important to be running these emails. And they're so easy if you just have a template that you have sort of figured out for your own clothing brand. Even just a simple template. It doesn't have to be like all this crazy design going into it. Just a few products, a few simple words to keep your customers just up to date on what you're doing and on the promotions that you're running on new products that you're releasing can be absolutely powerful for your own clothing brand. I think that this goes over a lot of clothing brands' heads. Like they think it's like old technology to be sending out emails for their brand, and why would they do that when they're just running ads on social media? But why not do that on top of it? A lot of people actually aren't on Instagram very often. They're not on Facebook. And the only way that they got onto your customer list was maybe because a friend told them about your brand. They went to your website and they bought. And so the only way to really get in touch with them about the new products that you're releasing is literally through sending out these emails. And they're way more effective than I think people realize. And I wanted to get in front of you and just drop that on you so that you can see the real life evidence. If you got a lot of value out of this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me get these videos out there. And let me know what you think about all this in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out my free clothing brand marketing masterclass. All you have to do to get access is go to apparelsuccess.com/masterclass and go watch the whole thing for free. And if you made it to this point in the video, I want to tell you about the closed Facebook group that we have for Apparel Success. Link in the description. Follow that link, join us in the group, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.